Hello everyone. The purpose of this video is to describe the basic functionality of my web page and to show how I met the requirements for Project Zero of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript. So basically the goal of this website is to share information about Bolivian typical food. I'm an industrial engineer from Cochabamba, Bolivia, and I think the Bolivian food and especially Cochabamba's food is one of the most delicious ones of South America, even tastier than Peruvian food. Uh, in this page, there are there are links that directs to three departments, which is Cochabamba, La Paz, and Santa Cruz. Also includes links that direct to information about each department. Inside each department web page, there is its principal dishes and with a picture and a little description. Also, I want to walk you through my code. So for that, let me show you the following screen. On the left or screen, there are the requirements. And the right side of the screen, I have my editor open, which is in this case is Visual Studio Code. And now let's see how I met the requirements. For example, the point one says that your website must contain at least 4 different HTML pages, and it should be possible to get from any page on your website to any other page by following one or more hyperlinks. So there we go. We have, of course, the main, which is called index HTML, and we have the other three, which is Cochabamba.html. Then we have La Paz.html and Santa Cruz.html. And if we go to our browser, we can navigate into through all these different pages, and also we can go back to the main to the index HTML page. So let's see another requirement. It says that your website must include at least one list, at least one table, and at least one image. And as you can see, we have a lot of different pictures. Of course, we have a list, and at the end of this page, we have a table. And how I want to show you how this look in my code. So let's go to index HTML and let's take a look of the table, and also let's take a look of the list. And well, my time is almost ending, so of course you will get a chance to see in more detail my code. And well, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next project. So goodbye.